Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting any cell inside the Excel table. This establishes the active table context. Once selected, look to the Table Design ribbon to confirm the table name and see available options. This helps avoid accidental edits. Make sure to save a backup copy before you proceed so you can recover data if needed. Now that the table is identified and backed up, you're ready to take the first actionable step. Convert the table to a normal range. You convert the table to a normal range by choosing Table Design, then Convert to Range. Confirm the prompt to keep the data, but remove table features. Once done, the structured references and filtering behavior disappear. This is why conversion is the key step. Make sure to then remove visual styles. Use Home right arrow clear formats to strip banding and custom styles, or apply your preferred cell style. These steps preserve cell values while eliminating table behavior and formatting. Finish by clearing any remaining filters and checking headers. Go to Data and Clear to remove filter arrows, and delete a redundant header row only if it is a duplicate of column labels. Then inspect formulas that reference the table. Structured references will have converted to cell ranges, and you may need to update names. If something goes wrong, restore your backup copy or use undo immediately. That's the fastest way to recover lost structure or fix broken references.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.